which is to determine the angle of the prism. In this experiment, we are going to measure the angle of the prism, for which the apparatus or the instruments which we are going to use are a prism, a drawing board, white paper sheet, some pins, fixing pins, four hair pins, and a geometry box. Here you can see this is a prism which has different transparent surfaces, and the angle of the prism is the angle between any two transparent surface. This you can see, this is the angle of the prism. Here we have taken a equilateral prism. Here both the sides are the triangle in this triangle. All these are optical element in which light can get refract in the surface, and when we are using a polychromatic light like white light, it will differentiate or disperse all the component colors outside, which you have already seen in your childhood days. When we enter a white light from one angle, it will come as the 7 colors, that is the Vickbeer, in your other end. This process or this phenomenon is known as dispersion. So a prism can disperse a polychromatic light to its monochromatic components. To perform this experiment, we need to set up our prism like this. Here, I have shown you one triangle side or the two transparent side of this prism, AB and AC. Here, we need to put two pins, P and Q here, and the light which is coming from the pin will be reflected in this way, or we can set up the pin R and S in such a way that the image of P and Q and the pin R and S will be in a straight line. जेमती कि हमर P और Q रो इमेज टा जोटा प्रिज्म रो सरफेस भितर देखा जाउथबो, सेही प्रिज्म सेही पिन रो दीटा का प्रतिबिंब को देखि कि आमे आ दीटा पिन सेही बळे हिसाब रे रखिबा जेमती कि से माने गोटे स्ट्रेट लाइन बा सरल रेखा रे रहबे. सिमिलर प्रोसीजर आमे अदर साइड पे भी करबा. P1 Q1 ता पई आमे R1 S1 इमेज पॉइंट पाइबा. तापरे ए दीटा का पॉइंट को नहीं कि हम जतबे लाइन ड्रा करिबा, जो एंगल टा क्रिएट हो that will be 2 times the angle of prism. Here we have taken a drawing board on which we have kept a white paper sheet or drawing sheet. In this we have fixed it through the fixing pins. These are the 4 fixing pins we have taken to fix this white paper sheet on the drawing board. Then we have taken a prism, and in case of hair pins I have taken alpins. And to perform this experiment, first we need to draw the outline of the prism. आमे यार outline वर्तमान draw करिबा. I have drawn the outlines. Now simply remove the prism from this place and draw 2 parallel lines. Simply 2 parallel lines to this prism, to this outline of the prism, like this. This is one parallel line, this is one line, and here you can take the other line. Okay, now fix the pins. Now keep the prism in its original position. Now fix 2 pins at any random position. It is better to keep some distance between them so that you can see the image clearly. Here you can see the light from the pin is coming to this surface of the prism. Then it will reflect back. Here it will reflect back in this way so that we can see the image from this angle of view. From this angle of view आम एपट साइड बर्तमान यार इमेज को देखा. आम प्रथम पिन और द्वितीय पिन रो इमेज बा प्रतिबिंब प्रिज्म रो एई पार्श्व सरफेस देकी देखिबा जेमति कि सेई दीटाकर इमेज को आउ दीटा पिन को एभलिया भाव में से जगह रखिबा जेमति कि से चारोटी पिन गोटे सरल रेखा रे रहिबे. Now we can clearly see the image of both the pins inside the prism surface. आमे एबे प्रथम पिन एवं द्वितीय पिन रो इमेज बा प्रतिबिंब प्रिज्म रो एई सरफेस देकी क्लियरली देखि परुचे. वर्तमान सेई दीटाक पिन को गोटे सरल रेखा रे रखी आमे आउ दुईटी पिन एमिति भाव में पोतिबा जेमति कि चारटाक पिन गोटे स्ट्रेट लाइन रे रही परिबो.
वर्तमान लाइन करबा.
Now you can see how I am putting the pins in a straight line. Now you can see we have kept two pins in such a way that all the image of both the pins and these two pins are in a straight line. Now remove these pins and make a circle or a marking point around these pins. Also these two pins. We will join these two points in a straight line. In the same way, we will do it for the other side. Similarly, I have put two pins with some distance between them, and we will see the image of these two pins from this side. Now from this side, the image of these two pins will be reflected from this side of the prism, and then we will put two pins in such a way that all the four pins will be in a straight line. Here you can see the image. Here you can see the image of both the pins, and put the pin in such a way that all these will be in a straight line. Now the second pin, looking at all the three images, all the two images and the third pin,
now you can see.
Here you can see all the four pins are in a straight line now. Here you can see the angle we have observed here in this experiment is coming as 117 degree. 117 degree. This is the 2 times the angle of prism what we are getting in this observation. We need to repeat this experiment 3 or 4 times to get a mean result which will give us a more accurate result. Now from the observation from our experiment we have got the result. 2 times the angle of prism we observe is 117 degree. Then we need to perform this procedure 2 or 3 times to get the mean value of the 2A degree. It might come as 120 degree or 121 degree something. The actual value should be 120 degree. That is the 2 times angle of the prism. But with some experimental error, we are getting the result as 117 degree. Then we will calculate the mean value of the 2 times a degree, 2 times the angle of the prism, and then we will divide it by 2 to get our angle of prism. If we get the results of 2 times the angle of prism like this, then our mean value will be nearly 119 degree, 0.3 degree. So the A value will be the angle of the prism as 59.6 degree. Here, after performing this experiment and taking our necessary observation with some observational error or experimental error, we have found the value of angle of prism as 59.6 degree. Say, to calculate what is the amount of error present in our experiment, we need to check the percentage error. How we will get this percentage error? Actual value. The actual value of A should be 60 degree. Observed value, we have get the result as 59.6 degree divided by actual value, which is 60. I am showing you the calculation here. That is percentage error is equals to 60 minus 59.6 divided by 60 multiplied by 100. We will get the result as, here we get our percentage error as 0.67%. Depending on your experimental values, you can calculate the percentage error. The actual value of the angle of prism should be 60 degree. Here we have obtained, I have shown you one reading which has shown 117 degree. You can get better result as 120 degree or something else with your observational skills. Thank you.